First, open your Gmail app. Once you're in Gmail, tap your icon in the top right corner. Click Add Another Account. Then click Google. Next, click Create Account for my personal use. Enter your name, click Next, enter your birthday, then select if you're male or female and click Next. You can pick your own email or go with one of the ones that they have. I'm just going to click one of the ones that they have and click Next. Make up a password. Click Next. Make sure it's 8 characters long. Let's try that again. Click Next. Once you have your password, you'll see the email that you have. Click Next. Scroll all the way down. Click I agree to the terms. Then click Confirm. And then that's it. You've got your new account and you can see it here. Wait, where'd it go? There it is. See, you're all done. And now you have an email. If it does prompt you to enter a phone number, just scroll down and click Skip, because you're not required to enter one in if you have that issue. But as you can see, we've created a new Gmail account. You can see that I have multiple. I still created a new one with no phone number. Well, I hope this video has been helpful. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and check out the other videos on this channel.